Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 12th of December. Kind of cloudy-ish today, a little light rain maybe in East Alabama, but man, what a sunset yesterday. Let's go back and look at some of those images. First off, this was from Demopolis off our Skycam network, looking down the Tom Bigby. Look at the purple colors there. Just marvelous. Pretty much the same type sky from Black Creek. That's northeast of Gadsden. That was from our Skywatcher Vic Bell. And it really gets good on the other side of the state. Look at the view right down the Tennessee River up in Florence. Boy, that was nice. And you think that's nice. Look at this one. This was from a viewer down in Gulf Shores. And, you know, this is that time of the year where the sun goes down over the water. You only get that during parts of November, December, and January. And, wow, that just makes you want to drop everything and go down there. Tremendous. But back to reality, one quick shot early this morning. That's from downtown Clanton, where it's kind of cloudy and cool. There's the water vapor satellite image this morning. A little short wave squeezing out some light rain over parts of East Alabama. That's the radar at 5:09. And you can see some rain falling south of a line from Sylacauga to Mallow Valley to Roanoke. Some pretty good moderate rain falling down around Dadeville and Auburn and Opelika. And then down to the south over southeast Alabama. We'll mention the chance of a little light rain today, mainly east of I-65 and south of Interstate 20. But even amounts down there, not all that much. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the around 40 around here, 40s and 50s down south with the clouds. The coldest areas back in the western states. And with a big trough coming in out there, we've got winter storm warnings for the mountains of Arizona and Southern California and southwest Colorado. Flagstaff, again, could be hammered. They might pick up over 1 foot of snow for the next 36 hours. Freezing rain advisory up north, but around here things are quiet. And really, we don't see any major issues with severe weather, winter weather for a while. There's the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through the week, or through the end of the week, Friday evening at 6 o'clock. The bigger amounts north and west of here, and as that front tries to move in here late this week, it just kind of fizzles out. So rain on Thursday and Friday should be light. We'll check the GFS. This is the 06E run at noon today. There's that big trough in the west. And around here, again, that little wave could squeeze out some light rain, mainly over East Alabama, Georgia, North Florida, and South Carolina. If you're in West Alabama, I don't think you see rain today, but it will be cloudy, cool, with a high probably in the low 50s. All right, tomorrow the southwestern trough doesn't move much, but look at the ridge beginning to nose in here from the Gulf. At 588 contour comes up north of Mobile. And that means we warm up. The disturbance is gone, and we might see a few peaks of sunshine by afternoon. We're talking highs back in the low 60s, so it should be about 10 degrees warmer tomorrow. And Wednesday, the warm-up continues. The NAM has 68. The GFS has 67. It's going to be very mild. Rain showers off to the west on Wednesday, and, there could be some active weather out there. We've got the low-end 5% severe weather probabilities there, but again, with a weakening dynamic type setup there, I don't think we'll have a major severe weather problem, but there could be a few severe storms, but again, it won't impact us because on Thursday, you can see how the energy just shears out and lifts north of here. 588 ridge suppressed a little to the south over South Florida, and down below that, there's your front on Thursday at midday from near Cincinnati down to about Memphis and Shreveport. So, but it looks like we stay dry, really. I guess you might mention maybe showers by Thursday night, and we'll be pretty close to 70 if this is right. Very mild. And then Friday, the support is moving into the Canadian Maritimes, a new upper low over Baja, and down below that, the front is in here, but the GFS doesn't show any rain at all. I think we better mention some risk of a shower or two with a weakening front end through here, but again, obviously, it's not going to be a big rain event. And we cool down a little bit. Highs drop back in the low 60s, but still pretty mild. And there's Saturday starting off the weekend. The front has dissipated. Maybe a mixture of clouds and sunshine. The high close to 60. And the same thing on Sunday. 60, 61, 62, and dry. So really a benign pattern here. And there's a week from today. We stay dry while all of the active weather is to the west and north. All right, do we dare do it? Let's look at Christmas Day, December 25th. Well, that's not a cold look, is it? kind of a zonal flow. All of the serious wave action is up north, and that might suggest kind of a mild Christmas day with a chance of light rain showers. Quite the contrast to last year when it was cold and snowing here on Christmas Day. But we talked about this for weeks. The pattern just doesn't favor even a shot at a white Christmas again this year, and odds of getting it 2 years in a row are tiny. At the end of the forecast on the 27th, we stay relatively mild. Pretty nasty-looking snowstorm for the interior parts of New England up there, if this happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.